Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you my 3D printed part. It is a carbon fiber infused PLA part in a Batman badge shape. And in the following time I shall explain to you how this part is produced. The first stage is checking the printing quality. The next stage is to print out the skirt to ensure a consistent quality for the printed part. As you can see now, it is now printing the actual part. At this stage, it is generating an isogrid infill feature to the part. This stage is when the carbon fiber printing starts. And it produced a shape like this. Finally, this is the printed part.